back for another brew day. I've got the day off work, so I thought what better way to spend the day excuse me, than to be brewing up a beer. So you can probably hear the water for the mash just heating up in the background. So what we might do is we'll swing the camera around and I'll show you what's going on. Yeah, so like I said, we're just heating up the water. We're at 54 degrees. So yeah, today I'm going to be doing a beer that I first brewed about 5 years ago, and that's the Columbus Brown Ale. So as the name suggests, it's got Columbus hops, so it's hopped with Columbus. And quick shout out to Hauraki Homebrew, Tiffany and Jason, for getting the grains organised. So the malts are, bulk of it is Maris, Otter, and then the rest is broken down evenly into medium crystal, light chocolate, biscuit malt and brown malt. And then I've just got a few oat holes just to line the bottom of the malt pipe there, just to help with the recirculation. So we'll come back once we've got the malt pipe in with the grain and the mash is underway. Cheers guys! Okay, so the mash is underway. We're doing a 60-minute mash. We're 12 minutes into it. It's all going very nicely at the moment. Hopefully you can pick up colours coming through from that from the brown malt and the biscuit malt and the light chocolate. So, okay guys, so we've finished the 60-minute mash, and as you can see, I've pulled the malt pipe out. Just got it sitting on this rack here, just letting all the liquid drain out, and I've plugged the boiler straight into the mains just to get it up to the boil. While that's happening, I'm just cleaning out the pump on the sparge ring. So yeah, try and do the cleaning as I'm going. And I've got my stainless steel ruler in there just so I can check my pre-boil volume is right, looking for about 16.5 litres. So yeah, all going well. We'll come back at the next stage. Cheers guys! Okay, so we're 30 minutes through a 60-minute boil, and I've got my first hop drop of Columbus here. Relatively small amount, I think it was 10 grams. I'll chuck it on the screen, so we'll pop that in. So yeah, 3 hop drops, 30 minutes, 5 minutes, 0 minutes, and also we do have a dry hop as well. So yeah, we'll just come back for the other drops shortly. Cheers guys! Okay, so we're 5 minutes from the end of boil. Just put the wort chiller in there to sterilise it, and also I put half a Whirfloc in there. So I've got the 5-minute addition, so this is 15 grams of Columbus. So I think I'm aiming at about 28 IBUs overall, so we'll chuck that in. And then we've just got one more to do at flame out, so we'll be back for that. Okay, so we're at 0 minutes, so we'll turn the boiler off. And we'll chuck in the 0 minute addition, another 10 grams of Columbus. And then we'll let that sit there for about 5 minutes, and then we'll start cooling it down, and I'll come back probably when we do the transfer into the fermenter. Okay guys, so we've chilled the wort down, got it down to 25 degrees Celsius, so I thought I would begin the transfer. So yeah, looking pretty good. Be happy with the clarity, I don't know if that's coming out, but yeah, got a sample in the background. So what we might do is we will finish the transfer into the fermenter here. Pitch the yeast, I'm going for US-05. And then we'll come back and do a wrap up with the sample and see what we got for the gravity, etc. So we'll see you shortly. Okay, so brew day is done, apart from a little bit of cleaning. Fermenter's just underneath the camera. So here is the finished sample. So pretty happy with that colour, a nice dark chocolate brown colour. So was aiming for about 1.050 and it came out bang on that figure, 1.050. So hopefully get about a 5.5% beer if it finishes low enough. So we'll have a bit of a taste. There's definitely some nice rich sort of chocolate biscuity type flavors coming through, which is what I was hoping for. Of course it's sweet sugar laden wort at this stage, so it's always hard to know how it's going to finish up, but yeah, pretty happy with the taste of the sample. Nice level of bitterness, so probably around that 30 IBU mark. So yeah, happy days. So yep, it's settling underneath the camera. We'll do a follow-up video in a few weeks, and we'll see how it turns out. So thanks for watching, guys, appreciate it, and enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you next time. Over and out.